Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2017 Nissan Navara NP300 ST dual cab ute, stock reference number 5177. The shape runs from the 5th month 2015 and is the current shape. It has a YS23DD TT 2.3 litre 4-cylinder twin turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic 4-drive transmission. YS23DD TT 2.3 litre 4-cylinder twin turbo diesel engine. We have the left-hand headlight, left-hand fog light, left front Sunraysia style steel rim, 16-inch with a bald tyre, left power door mirror, both left-hand doors appear to have no damage, left rear 16-inch Sunraysia steel rim with a bald tyre. We have the left-hand tail light, tailgate has one small dent, right-hand tail light, right rear 16-inch Sunraysia type steel rim with a bald tyre. Both right-hand doors appear to have no damage, right power door mirror and a right front 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior. It has an automatic console, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, sat nav, CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.